What's going on, guys? It's your bear, and today I'm gonna show you exactly how to use HighLevel to run your entire real estate agent business. So if you're a real estate agent, grab pen and paper, get ready to get some notes, and get ready to learn. Not just your leads, not just your follow-up, I mean your entire business. Think about it, lead generation, client nurturing, pipeline tracking, listing, buyer workflows, transaction flows, right? Referrals, repeat business, and even content distribution, which is a big one, especially if you're a real estate agent. You get that a lot where you don't have time to put out content all in one system. And if you ever felt overwhelmed by all this, too many platforms, too many subscriptions, too many logins, too many tasks, this tool, HighLevel, gonna help you fix all that. And at the end, I'll show you exactly how to get our 30-day free HighLevel trial so you can test it out. Plus, if you're gonna need support because it's so techy and you don't know all this stuff, we have a team that can help you get all that thing set up so you can automate your real estate business. Let's go. All right. So most agents don't fail because they're bad at selling, right? They fail because guess what? They're inconsistent, they're disorganized, they're very, very slow to follow up, they're juggling too many things at one time, they're chasing tasks instead of closing more deals, they're doing more admin work, they're doing everything manually, and I think now we're in 2025, 2026. It's time to change this, right? HighLevel you give you what I call an agent operating system. You shouldn't have to be doing any of this. So the system, here's what it looks like. You capture leads, follow up automatically, nurture prospect, schedule appointments, organize your pipelines, run your marketing, track your tasks, send reminders, manage closing, and build your database for you. Everything in one. Isn't that crazy? So I want you to imagine this, right? You're running your real estate business without feeling overwhelmed every single day, right? That's what this tool, HighLevel, can help you do. And once you're able to automate this whole process inside your business, like you can literally have everything running, without you being in it. Right? So I'm gonna share three automated system you can start with. Okay. So system number one is a lead capture and conversion engine. So what do I mean by that? To me, this is kind of like the heart of your business. With HighLevel, it lets you build out a buyer lead funnels so you can get more buyers. A seller home valuation funnels. If you get more sellers, you can get more listing. Relocation funnels, people that's moving different states. Open house funnels, cash buyer funnels, community market reports, landing pages, lead magnet funnels, so you can always give something away to your potential clients and sellers. Then that's when you have the magic happen. Once you have all that set up, the second someone's fill out a form on one of your funnels, it'll automatically add them to your CRM system, tag the lead assigned to your pipeline stage so you can literally see the dashboard and see everything that's happening, send an automatic text messages, send to automatic email, and literally start a 14-day nurture sequence so they're getting emails and texts every day. Offer a schedule link so you can book some time to speak to you and automatically send you notification via email so you know what's happening. Now, your clients feels like you're fast, better than most real estate agents, and the system does all the work for you, right? Now, I want you to think about system number two, listing and buyer pipeline. Think of it like a visual filling cabinet for every active client. Example listing pipeline, right? New seller lead coming in, appointment set, CMA delivered to them directly, listing agreement signed because they got an email about it, photos schedule, MLS live, boom, under contract, pending, close, and then you have a 12-month follow up. Right? So the buyer pipeline, I'm giving you an example for that, right? New buyer lead, discovery call, pre-approved, home tour, offer sent, under contract, everything's happening, right? Step by step. right? Pending, close, 12-month follow-up. Every stage can be triggered, every stage can be automated from the tasks, the reminders, the emails, the text, the video messages, the home buyer guides, the listing prep checklist. Everything can be structured and automated. Now your clients feel like they're staying informed, they're staying organized, nothing slipped through the crack ever again. And guess what? You have systems in place for them. And the third one is the real business, right? Your database. That to me is huge, right? HighLevel helps you automate monthly market updates so you can send out that to your database. Yearly home equity review, that's potential opportunities. Birthday messages and text, home purchase anniversary messages, long-term nurturing campaign, right? Referral request sequences. Think about you have all those automated in the back end where you don't have to think about it. So instead of you trying to manually do all these touch points, which is slow and it could be hard to do, you can automatically get them going, and that can create more opportunity for you as an agent. So I'll give you an example. One agent that was averaging about 2 to 3 transactions a month, she was overwhelmed. When she got that system, HighLevel installed, those three systems that I talked about, right? The new lead, instant follow-up sequence, boom. The listing workflow, weekly client update, boom, right? The post-close referral engine, you have all that's happening. Her business didn't just grow, it became predictable. And when it became predictable, guess what ended up happening? Now she's doing 5 to 7 closing a month with less stress, right? Than she had at 2 to 3. And the beauty about this, that's what systems do. That's what systems are for, right? These two stages will make you look like a top producing agent because you're able to follow up on time, you'll be able to build your list. If you're still building momentum, this will create that momentum to take it to the next level. And guess what? Nobody's using them. And to me, this is insane. So I'm going to give you two secret strategy. All right. One, leads to your house online. They click schedule a showing. HighLevel instantly send them a text, something like, hey, I can help you arrange your tour. What's the best time that works for you? Their reply to the text, conversation. You have an AI that can handles the conversation, uh, and handle the scheduling, checks your calendar, sends confirmation to you, sends a reminder to them, right? Sends a pre-showing checklist, boom, 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 boom. And then after the showing, sends an automated follow-up. So now you have things working for you on autopilot. You close more deals because your follow-up is real time. Success loves speed. And most agents takes 3 to 10 minutes to respond. Some takes hours, even days. Now you're responding in less than 15 seconds. What? This is to me like farming, but done in 2025, 2026, not 1999 or 2001. So HighLevel able to sends out like weekly updates, right? Week 1, what's your home really worth? Week 2, local market update. Week 3, best home sold, in your neighborhood, right? Week 4, local business spotlight. Week 5, are you planning any upgrade this year? Week 6, invitation to a virtual market Q&A, right? Week 12, equity violation offer. So you're offering all this added value. Month 6, home maintenance checklist. Month 12, happy anniversary on purchasing your new home. And here's a quick equity update. You become the trusted expert before they even think about selling. So now you in their mind, and you're probably thinking about selling 2 to 3 years from now. And because it's all automated, it runs without you doing anything because you set it up already. That's the type of level of power that HighLevel give you. And here's the beauty about it. You get a virtual assistant to help you take it a step further, right? We can help you set up a VA that can set up all this system, update your listings, schedule your showing, run comps, prepare CMAs, process paperwork, manage the workflow, right? Manage those follow-up, update those content for social media and schedule them out, clean out your database, follow up with cold leads, track deadline, check MLS every morning, send clients updates by using high level, literally manage and support you for your whole high level system. And what you do, you just show homes, you close deals, right? You got high level on the back end, you got a VA managing it for you, and this is how it's supposed to be. If you're serious about running your real estate business like a top producer, in my opinion, High Level is the best all in one platform right now. If you set it up properly, not only will it save you time, it will allow you to organize your business and it create consistency, which to me is what's missing for a lot of real estate agents. If you want help setting everything up, use the link below in the comments or in the notes section. Take advantage of the free 30-day trial so you can see how High Level work and how it can help you. And on top of that, book a strategy call with our team so we can have a VA that can set up all these systems so you don't have to do it yourself. All right. From the buyer sequence, the seller sequence, the listing pipeline, the buyer pipeline, the referral pipeline, right? The nurturing campaigns. Once you have all that set up, you're gold, right? And you have a full dashboard so you can track all your deals, you can track what's happening. So click the link, take advantage of a free trial, book your strategy session with our VA team so we can get you going. And I can't wait to see you be one of the top producers in your brokerage. Thanks for jumping on. Thanks for watching this. Let's get to work. Let's go.